Hey everybody, Dayglow Kool-Aid here. Just wanted to show off the axes that I've been making. I wanted to do a couple of throws real quick. These are all fresh out of the shop. These are the conventional cold steel or CS hawks. I really hope I'm not standing too close. Anyways, so I'm going to do some throws real quick. Starting off with the cold steel. Now that was with a short handle. So now I'm going for a short handle one that I made. A little more authority when the thumb cats, you know. So I take a step back going for the longer handle. Again, going cold steel first. Now 22-inch handle, long handle on my axe. And now these two, just mine. Looks like it's stuck in pretty good. Here's the cold steel head. Both of them. Boy, that'll be fun to get out, won't it? Looked like just about all the exposed edge was in there. They really do make good choppers too, but I wouldn't recommend it. Yeah, looks like they're all biting pretty good.